Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faiza. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It does mean a lot to me. How are you guys doing? I am back with another video. Today I am doing this halo eye makeup. As you can see, I have added a hint of black to it just to give it that smoky halo kind of makeup look. Make it look a bit dramatic, so if you guys are interested and you want to know how to create this look, keep on watching the video. I will make sure I explain fully how I did it. So first of all, I am gonna start off with prepping and priming my skin, and then putting the concealer on my eyelids as usual, and just blending it all together, and then setting it with a translucent powder. Okay, so I actually forgot to hit the record button, and I actually totally forgot, and I started my makeup method told you. So I'll just explain to you why I actually did. So I used that pinkish shade as my transition shade with the big fluffy brush. Now I'm taking a blending brush again, but it's a smaller one. I'm just going to put this brownish kind of shade on. It has like that yellowish undertone, so I'm taking this, I'm putting this on both of my corners, inner and outer corner. You just have to go, you don't go with a heavy hand, just go light-handed and just start blending it out. And if you need to build up the coverage, just do so. I always go with the less product first, so it's easy for me to blend. Okay, I'm going back in with the same blending brush, the first shade. I'm just going over the shade again just to pop it out a little bit. Now I'm taking this very small flat brown brush, and I'm gonna put a red color in my inner and outer corner. Again, I'm just gonna put it in a very little area, and then I'm gonna blend it. So that's the key to get that halo look. You just put in a little area, and then you start to blend it, as you can see I'm doing here just now. Okay, and I'm gonna take that into my crease. I will only take into my crease once there's very little product left on my brush. Now I am taking this fluffy brush, and I'm just softening up the edges a little bit. Okay, and again going back in with the first shade. So I'm going to repeat the process on the other eye as well, just the same steps I did in the first eye. I'm just doing it on the other eye, where I'm going in with the black just now here, just to give it that dramatic effect. As I said, just very little black, because if you put too much on, you can actually mess up the whole look. Go in with very little, and if you need more, just pick up more product afterwards. Again, I'm going to take that into the crease as well, just very little when there's very little product left. So now it's time to actually cut the crease in the middle. You just need to be very careful. Again, take very little product and go in with heavy hand afterwards. So I usually go above my crease, because I have very hooded eyes. So this tutorial is also good for people who actually have hooded eyes as well. I have like hooded eyes, my eyes are very hooded. So I'm putting in the shimmer shade on. It's like a golden shimmer shade. I'm just obviously going back in with the small brush and just blending that black color. So I've taken this yellow shade. It had that sheer kind of effect to it, and there was no glitter in it. It was just sheer kind of effect to it. Okay, so that's both of the eyes done. I'm just cleaning up the mess underneath my eyes, and next I'm gonna do my eyeliner, which is the really hardest bit. So I'm just doing my eyeliner just now. I'm going to do that on both of the eyes, and I'm just blending in my concealer just now. I'm going to put the black gel eyeliner in my waterline and in my lower lids as well a little bit. So that's the done. I'm doing my upper lid as well. I'm putting the gel eyeliner on, and to set the eyeliner, I'm just putting a black shade on, just so it does not move. As you can see, you just dab it on a little bit. That's all you do, just dab it on, and you do that on both of the sides. And then I'm gonna go in with the brown shade, and I'm just gonna smoke this black eyeliner out a little bit. As you can see, I went in with the brown shade and just smoking it out. Okay, so I'm just setting the under eyes just now, and next up is I'm going to to do my lips. So I'm using this brown kind of shade for my lip, brown eyeliner from Kiko Milano, filling in my lips, and from this is the Revolution lipstick which I'm using, just dabbing that on. So this is the color. Lastly, I am going to do my eyelashes. This mascara is my favorite. It's really good. And I'm just finishing off with the setting powder, and this is the final look. I quite like it. I think it's very nice, dramatic, especially for all the brown girls out there. If you're going to a wedding, shadi, mehndi, barat, whatever, you can create this look. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you.